Hi guys, it's Darren and Cass again. We're back on Echo Lake for the second time. It's been about 3 weeks since our last time here, so hopefully we'll pick up a few fish. We'll see. It's a little windy, but I think the weather's going to hold out for us.
And we're trying a willow leaf trolling in the kayaks, not a bobber right now. So
We'll see.
Currently, a few fishermen down the way are catching some. So
there's hope yet.
Yeah.
Any bites yet?
No bites yet.
Looking good, babe. Now we just need a fish.
Yeah. It's so fun though, even without catching them.
Yeah. A little breezy, but not bad.
Looks not too bad in the kayak.
No, not at all. Couple other kayakers on the lake. Well, she's had no hits so far. Pretty quick, I'll have to try and show her how it's done.
I hope so.
Nice at this end of the pond. Okay, babe, I'm going to show you how it's done.
Oh, my worm's pretty pathetic. I think that could have had something to do with it.
Well, we'll see. Catch me flipping over. It's easier to troll down this way, the wind pushing you. I think I got the easy end. Oh. One on.
Woohoo! I guess you are going to show me how it's done.
Not a very big one, though.
That's all right.
I think we'll let this guy go.
Pretty small?
Come on over, we'll get a close-up, babe. I wonder if the less jewelry is... Maybe that might be too much jewelry on there, scares them off.
Okay.
I don't know. Pass me the net, love. You were right. Nice colors. Officially caught. I think we'll let him go, eh?
Okay.
See if there's bigger ones. It's a good hook, so Stop thrashing. I'm going to let you go. Try not to even touch him. Not a bad fish, though.
Not bad at all.
Look at that. And there he goes.
Good job,
Perfect. Yeah. Thrashed my bait, but kind of tight quarters. Big man in a little boat.
Where you going?
And she tangled us up.
I'm in trouble. I'm sorry. My bad.
Fish on.
Don't hate me.
I don't hate you. It's minor. It's actually calmed down the wind, I think.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's see how this is going to go. Ho ho! Look at that.
Okay. I will concentrate.
Nope. You
Better.
fish too. Maybe not.
Just a bite?
Just a bite.
That's good.
Well, we use oversized hooks so that they can't really swallow it, so we can let them go nice.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Sounds like an excuse, but maybe it is.
I think that's smart. How's it going, babe?
It's going good.
You're getting quite a
getting
few
bites.
You're getting bites, yeah.
Oh.
Another bite?
Another bite, but no. Maybe my hooks are a little too oversized.
I think so.
Seems like a little gaffer though.
Another little gaffer?
If he's the same size, I think we'll keep this one because we'll keep two for a taste.
Woo!
Yeah, he's the same size. Nice colors.
You get them?
Yeah.
Awesome.
But there again, right, with these fishing a bigger hook, it's right in the corner of the mouth. If I was going to let him go, it'd be perfect. Trying to hook myself. Yeah.
Let's see, hon. Good job.
We're going to keep that one.
Awesome.
It's not huge, but it'll be a taste.
And totally legal.
And totally legal. There's no size limit. I
That
know,
was a little drastic.
it looks drastic, but it kills them instantly.
Good job.
Good job. And here she comes.
Can't let you show me up.
That's right. 2-0. She doesn't like direction at all, let me tell you. I'll do it my way. Stubborn.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, for sure.
It's gone.
She says she had a bite, but I don't know.
I did. It's hard when you go to check it and then you
Get all haywire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the wind's not helping, but it's still a good day. This will be 3, love. This is a better one.
Is it?
Oh yeah, this is a nice cutty. We'll keep him.
Good job, babe.
Hey,
Wow, perfect.
see, another corner of the mouth. That's why I like using these oversized hooks.
Because if they were too small, they're not gonna die.
They're not gonna swallow it. But yeah, we're gonna keep him.
Great job.
You want to have a closer look at him?
Yeah.
Right over there. That's a nice one. That one's a wild one.
Is it?
I think so. That looks like it.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Great job.
Spare the camera this part.
Okay.
There she is, trying again. Cass caught the salad.
Thanks, babe.
Are you having fun, babe?
No.
It's a little breezy.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm doing everything you were doing.
Well, you're not listening to me and
No.
getting mad at me.
It's just a coincidence is all.
Could be. I'm no expert.
Why do I keep getting weeds and you don't?
Well, like I say, salad to go with the fish.
Ugh.
Are we having fun?
I'm starting to get freezing cold. And all I do is catch weeds, but other than that, it's thumbs up. Okay, your turn.
Okay, babe.
He's definitely showing me up today.
Well, I don't know about that. A little difficult.
Difficult in the wind?
In the wind, yes. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. Now you put this bait on, so I'm trusting you. Try going with the wind today, or this time.
So any tricks to why you're catching all the fish, babe? And for anybody else wanting to try it?
Well, pure fluke today, I think.
Yeah. Do you think it has to do anything about speed?
Well, it's just hard in the wind. I just try and speed up and slow down, and somewhere in there they seem to bite once in a while.
Okay.
And try not to flip the kayak in the process.
There's the wharf on Echo Lake. Makes it pretty accessible. You can catch the fish right off the dock there. These are in the lake. They look like stumps, but they're part of an old railway trestle. They make good habitat now for the fish and birds. I found some beaver habitat. He's been busy. You can see the ends of the branches have been chewed. He's got a little mound there. He's got a little root.
I think that's his lodge.
There's something in here. You can tell just by all the bank. Something's going in and out there.
Well, it looks like dirt and stuff on top of that heap. And kind of cool.
Like this part here.
What's that?
This is his mound?
No, this will be his feed, and right on the other side of you, that'll be the lodge. That hump, I think.
Oh, that there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like he's been on top packing
Oh,
mud and stuff.
smart little
Or
guy.
her.
And so he'd have access to go underneath.
Yeah.
Neat. Well, I think we decided to go home. I'm a little bit cold with the wind, and
Yeah.
we got two, so
We did all right.
it was fun, and we got out. And
In these conditions, I think we did fine. There's a few other people out here. They did about the same as us, so I feel okay with it.
yeah, but I think we're gonna take our fish and cook them at home because the fire pit's already, people are using it. So
Yeah, and it's a little breezy and chilly.
yeah, so we'll go home and cook them on the barbecue.
We'll catch you there, maybe.
See you there.
That wind is cold.
Are you peeing? Goodbye, Echo Lake. So we're back at home cooking up the fish. I just got it on tinfoil with salt and pepper and some Old Bay.
For the first time, we're going to give it a shot.
Yeah. We used this with the crab last time. We cooked crab and it was really good. So I thought it'd go good with the trout. So we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah, it was. I'll have a quick look. Our barbecue's in rough shape. It looks good.
Is it done yet?
Not yet, no. It's basically around sushi right now.
Oh.
Give her another 10 minutes and see how it goes. Okay. Okay, let's check her out. Hopefully we're done.
It sounds like it's sizzling.
It's sizzling for sure. Oh yeah, that one's done. Yep, they're done. They look good.
Okay, try bite.
One of these fish, this one here was a rainbow, and the other one over here, the bigger one, is a cutthroat.
Don't burn your tongue.
Really good. I like the Old Bay.
Okay.
Yeah, really nice.
Thanks for catching all the fish, babe.
Someone had to.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
Success.
Success. Thank you for watching.